In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change axis increments in Tableau by adjusting both minor and major tick marks. Understanding this process can help you tailor your visualizations more precisely, making your data presentations much clearer and impactful. Whether you're a seasoned Tableau user or just getting started, customizing your axis settings is a fundamental skill. To begin, let's open up the Tableau public app. This is where you'll have access to all your data visualization tools. Once you have the application open, you'll need to access your specific worksheet. Navigate to the workbook that contains the data you want to work with. Having your data at your fingertips will allow you to easily make any adjustments necessary. Next, we'll get into the specifics of modifying your worksheet. Start by dragging the order date field into the columns. It's crucial to change the date format to month so that you're working with the correct time increments. By focusing on months, you'll have a more coherent view of trends and patterns over time. Following this, drag the sales field into the row section. This step prepares your worksheet for visualization, where you'll soon see a visual representation of the sales data distributed across the calendar months. Seeing your data in this format can help you quickly identify peaks and troughs in sales activity. Now, it's time to customize the axis settings. Right-click on the axis that you want to modify. This action will open a menu with several options tailored for fine-tuning the axis. From this menu, select Edit Axis. This selection leads you to a dialog box where you can make changes to the axis appearance and increments. Within the Edit Axis menu, navigate to the Tick Marks tab. Here you'll have the option to specify how major and minor tick marks are displayed along your axis. For both categories of tick marks, change the setting to Fixed. Using the Fixed option allows you to manually set the intervals, giving you more control over the visual output. Now let's set the actual intervals. For the major tick marks, enter a value of 10,000. This adjustment means that every major tick on the axis corresponds to a 10,000 increment in your sales data, providing a clear framework for evaluating large changes. Conversely, set the minor tick marks to 1,000. These finer intervals are helpful for identifying and interpreting more subtle changes in your data. By following these steps, you have successfully customized your axis increments in Tableau, tailoring both major and minor tick marks to better suit your data. This method not only enhances clarity, but also reinforces the insight you aim to communicate with your visualization. Keep experimenting with different settings to see how they affect your data presentation, and you'll continue to improve your Tableau skills over time.